nursery book kit. Let's see the books. Here are the books and the charts for nursery level. Let's see the books one by one. The first one is my bright picture book of general knowledge for nursery. Here you have the concepts. So here in the contents you can see what the child learns and nice colorful pictures and names. So what the child can do is, child can learn from this book not only by seeing the picture but also can access my anytime teacher. Let's see how that happens. We will launch the Brilla app. In the Brilla app we have my anytime teacher. Now I will scan the code. What we see the same fruit. So let's see how to learn.
This is a lime. Lime is a juicy fruit.
So like this, child can learn about each and every picture over here. Next, this is start with phonics. Child has been learning letters of the alphabet. Now it's time for the child to learn phonics. So these are the phonics. Now how the child will learn? Again, child can access my anytime teacher.
Today we are going to learn the phonic sound of the letter F. The phonic sound is, see, you have to take out the air from your lips to get this sound.
Next is counting. My bright picture book of counting. This helps the child to learn counting. So here activities are also there. Same thing, here also child can access my anytime teacher and watch and learn. Now along with counting, along with learning other things, child also has to learn how to trace. So this is a number tracing book where the child can learn how to trace. This is same type for alphabet pattern tracing. This book is used. These are all activity books. This is an interesting book for the children. Rhymes. So many rhymes are there for the child to learn. The most interesting thing is child can watch and learn the action. Child can learn about how to do the actions and also watch the animation and feel happy about it. Of course, the tune and the lyrics child will learn from this entire book. We have the augmented reality technology enabled, so thereby you can scan code and help the child to learn. Now this is bright picture book of coloring. As you can see, lots of coloring pages are there. We are also offering crayon box, so child can do the coloring. Here, this is the book of stories. Small children, they love to listen to stories. Here also, we have code. So therefore, if you play it in a tab, in a mobile, child can also watch and listen to the story, apart from looking at the pictures. This is a very important book for nursery level. This is called My Practice Workbook. So you can see there are so many pages of worksheets. At this age, child should practice tracing the pattern and learn how to go about it, and then the child has to also learn how to trace the capital letters, the numbers, and also do the worksheet. So this book helps in learning the tracing as well as writing. Now here also you have the code.
Start from the top red line and draw a standing line up to the second blue line. Now start from the top of the standing line and draw a big curve till the end of the standing.
You know, small children, this is very important. How teacher shows how the child has to hold the pencil and how the child has to trace it. It's very important to watch and learn. So this will be really helpful with this book. Now along with this books, there are 8 charts for the children. Children, they love it. Here also scan code is there, so child can learn about good habits, air and water transport, surface transportation, jungle animals, farm animals. Healthy food is very important at this age. Common vegetables and fruits for the child. Child can easily put it up all these things on the wall. So these are the books and charts for nursery level.